Welcome to the MGS Innovation Center and Global Headquarters in Germantown, Wisconsin. I'm Ben Suxdorf, U.S. Tooling Manager at MGS. I've spent more than 20 years advancing tooling technologies at our Germantown facility. It's here that design, tooling, automation, and manufacturing come together on a single campus to drive the future of healthcare innovation. Among these integrated capabilities, our tooling facility stands out, delivering comprehensive mold design, build, and support services tailored to each of our customers' unique needs. With deep roots as mold makers, we specialize in designing and building high-precision, high-volume tools with extremely tight tolerances and high cavitations. From multi-component and stack molds to fast-track tooling, our talented mold makers deliver advanced solutions with exceptional turnaround times to support complex healthcare programs at scale. That's made possible by bringing tooling to the table early, allowing us to embed design for automation, design for assembly, and design for manufacturability into every project. Through structured design reviews, mold flow simulations, and manufacturability assessments, we identify challenges early, improving part performance and reducing risk, ensuring a smooth path to production. This includes alignment on moldability, tool build strategy, and downstream manufacturing considerations to accelerate speed to market. Our facility has recently undergone a full-scale transformation to support continued growth with our global pharma, diagnostic, and MedTech customers. At the core of this evolution is a new generation of tooling automation built to advance innovation and efficiencies. 3 fully automated work cells now integrate electrode manufacturing, milling, and wire EDM into one streamlined process. Consolidating these operations eliminates unnecessary handoffs, reducing setup time and significantly increasing throughput. Our new automation system runs 24/7 lights out, allowing machines to run unattended overnight, on weekends and holidays, maximizing uptime and productivity. We've also expanded our milling capabilities with a new 5-axis machine, enabling tight tolerance, complex part geometries with exceptional accuracy and scalability. And in mold building, where precision is critical, we rely on wire EDM to meet exacting standards. We've installed 2 new cutting-edge EDM machines that further elevates our tooling expertise. To ensure quality keeps pace with speed, we've added a climate-controlled steel metrology lab and an additive manufacturing lab within our tooling facility. Equipped with dual hexagon CMMs, it delivers fast, accurate dimensional checks that reduce bottlenecks and speeds approvals. From concept to production, MGS tooling is built for full life cycle support. Behind the technology is a team of skilled professionals whose hard work, perseverance, humility, and solutions-oriented mindset drives every success. Our integrated approach and close collaboration across teams ensure a seamless transition throughout every phase. By identifying issues early and reducing iterations, we help customers launch faster with production-ready solutions that deliver consistent quality and long-term reliability. This end-to-end coordination improves tool quality, enhances manufacturability, and ensures automation is considered from the outset, not as an afterthought. Together, we help healthcare innovators bridge the gap between imagination and realization.